What's going on, guys? Back to the video. Today we're here at Changi Bay. So we parked at Changi Carpark 7 and we walked all the way, a really long walk here to Changi Bay. So we're heading to like the Changi Exhibition Center. We're fishing around the breakwaters on the inflatable boat and we're gonna be catching some MJ or maybe groupers. So we're gonna be pumping out the boat and trying to catch some live tamban if there are any. Let's get going. It's quite late now, so tight line. Oh shit! Free float! Oh shit! Guys are out here. We've got like one boat and two kayakers. We're gonna go near them to try and get to their spots. Guys, there's some fish on the fish finder. Oh shit, this is the tamban school. Okay, we go here, got fish.
Got the SGF trusty tamban hooks. Okay, drop. Don't do tambans yet.
Alright guys, while Dom is trying the tamban hook, I'll be going straight to for some prawn and tamban as bait to see if we can get some MJ. Let's do that.
Oh. Fish on! Fish on!
Dominic has a fish on!
Fish on! Are you filming?
Yeah, I'm filming.
Strong one.
Oh, strong.
Oh shit!
Oh shit, it's the emperor! We're trying to catch the tamban as bait, but it looks like all these fish are like the emperors. Come on here.
Fish on!
Oh, fish on!
Fish on! Oh shit!
Fish on!
Is it another emperor, man?
Oh shit!
It's a double!
It's a double emperor! Oh, future!
Okay,
Let's try this out. Let's see if we can get a live.
Oh guys, what is this? Guys, is it pilchard?
Oh, let's
Pilchard.
live pilchard. We just put straight on the Kenya. Oh, it's around 1 o'clock, so I'm kind of hungry now. So let's eat some burger. Oh, bring it up! Salar! Oh,
I don't even know.
this is. Oh, guys!
Oh
Oh shit!
Ajing, man!
Oh shit! You didn't film it!
But you film. You have
Oh shit! This guy's big, eh? Salar!
Oh guys!
Oh.
Guys!
Try some Carl's Jr. chicken tenders. Alright guys, we got some Carl's Jr. burger.
So at this point, Dom was playing his double Apollo. He switched sides of the boat and I pointed out that there were fish underneath. I mean, I don't know why they didn't come to eat my bait. I was using the exact same rig as him, but this happened when he dropped it down.
Is it Sanko? Oh, is it fish? Fish on! Oh,
Alright, Dominic, fish on.
Dominic, fish on! It's a fish on!
MJ! Yes!
Oh, nice!
Oh, drop anchor.
I need CR for the. Oh shit! The immediate drop, I had it, man. Immediate.
In catching
An MJ.
do one then. Alright guys, we've bled the fish. Now we're heading back to shore. You just put it in the bag,
MJ.
Guys, we're back here at shore and at Changi Carpark 7 you can get shellfish. Oh my gosh. Hey, it's good eh. Put it inside the MJ bag. Guys, we saw these shellfish lala here. Alright guys, we got these shellfish. Wait.
The wrong one.
Yeah, this one. Hey, shit, go.
Hey, go. Hey, bro, look at this fish, go. Look.
Oh, wait, dig this way.
Dig it.
Alright, there's a lot of.
Oh shit.
Oh, go.
Oh shit.
What they think we're the farmers. Hey!
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 It is that big. It is not the lana. This is the cockle.
Cockle.
Hey, look at this! Royal fishing!
Hey, what's
I
that?
got a cockle!
Alright guys, we're back from the trip. So the catch report is 1 MJ, 1 brownback trevally, and a whole lot of like clams, like lala. So we're gonna be, I think I'll go cook those up. I think they're gonna be really good. And we'll see you guys in the next video. 再见。